In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer funds in Clio Manage. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each choice means, and a few best practices to keep your records clean and compliant. First, start on the main dashboard and look to the left sidebar. Find Accounts and click it. This takes you to the area where your firm's financial accounts are organized. Think of this as your central hub for viewing balances and recording money movement, so it's important to begin here to keep everything consistent. Next, open the specific bank account where you want to record the transfer. Choosing the correct account at this stage ensures the transaction lands in the right place and that your reports accurately reflect where funds came from and where they're going. If your firm uses multiple operating or trust accounts, take a moment to confirm you're working in the correct one to avoid rework later. Once you're in the right account, click Transfer Funds. This is the dedicated tool for moving money within Clio Manage, and using it helps maintain an auditable trail rather than mixing transfers with other transaction types. You'll now choose your transfer type. If you select between bank accounts, you're recording a movement from one firm account to another, such as moving funds from your operating account to a separate savings account. If you select between matters, you're documenting a movement of client-related funds from one matter to a different matter. Pick the option that matches the purpose of this transfer, and always follow your firm's accounting and trust compliance rules when working with client money. Next, select the client from the Client dropdown. This links the transfer to the correct person or organization, which is essential for accurate billing, trust accounting, and reporting. If you manage many clients with similar names, verify you've chosen the right one before proceeding. Now, set the date for the transfer. You can accept today's date or enter the correct historical or future date, depending on your firm's procedures. Accurate dating helps keep bank reconciliations straightforward and ensures your month-end and year-end reports line up with your source documents. When everything looks good, click Record Transfer to continue. Clio Manage will save the transaction and update the associated balances. Take a quick moment to visually confirm the results and make sure the transfer aligns with your internal policies. And that's how to transfer funds in Clio Manage. Follow these steps each time to maintain clear records, reduce corrections, and keep your financial reports accurate.